their physical, mental, spiritual, social needs. The women empowerment also means when the society will accept women as decision makers for the economic and financial decision of family. We shall encourage women faculty to all sections of society to make their women decision. Nowadays, all over the world give more importance to yoga because for restless mind it gives peace, for sick it gives health, and for students it is for developing memory, concentration, intelligence, creativity, character formation, and good health. Not only this, but also physically, mentally, spiritually benefits are there. Yoga keeps our body fit and strong. It prevents disease and prolongs our life. It improves blood circulation, reduces stress and anxiety, improves concentration, memory, and confidence. And spiritually, we get spiritual energy and peace of mind. So, dear friends, let's practice asanas, meditation, and breathing exercise, and we can live a happy and healthy life.
असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतोमा